Interaction between Bitcoin dominance and altcoins price. You may have heard the term Bitcoin dominance several times from professional traders. What does it mean? It's pretty simple. Stay tuned to learn more. Before that, please subscribe our channel if you have not yet. Press the bell icon to get the latest tips, tricks and strategies to crypto trading. If you divide the total market capital of Bitcoin by the total market capital of all cryptocurrencies and multiply the value by 100, you get Bitcoin dominance. You can find the dominance of any coin by doing the same step. What happens when BTC dominance increases or decreases? When Bitcoin dominance increases, it means that the demand for BTC increases and that the demand for altcoins decreases. When BTC dominance decreases, it means that the demand for altcoins increases and that the demand for BTC decreases. When BTC dominance increases, it means that investors in crypto are looking for a less volatile and safer investment. It is analogous to buying A-list stocks or yen in forex or gold in commodities. During market uncertainty, investors shift towards less volatile and highly liquid assets like BTC rather than investing in altcoins with low liquidity and market cap. There are multiple reasons for the high dominance of Bitcoin, which include earliest digital asset, listed across all exchanges, completely decentralized, extreme media attention, etc. This is the reason most traders in cryptocurrency have begun their journey by BTC as the first cryptocurrency. When BTC dominance decreases, it indicates the beginning of alt season. It is an indication that the profits earned from the rise in price of BTC will now be used to buy altcoins. A falling BTC dominance is a good sign for altcoins. Altcoins have a much higher probability of exponential gains given their low liquidity and high volatility compared to BTC. To give an example, it is far more likely for an altcoin like BTC to jump from $5 to $15 in a much shorter time frame than for BTC to jump from $10,000 to $30,000 in the same time frame. Summary: Bitcoin dominance is an extremely important parameter for traders and investors. It marks the beginning or end of altcoin season. Here is a tabular summary of the relationship between BTC's dominance, BTC's price, and altcoin's price. Subscribe our channel and check our organized playlist. Happy investing!